Hello everyone, myself Anirudh Chaudhary from CSSstack.org. Today we are going to learn one of the very important HTML and JavaScript trick. So in this video what we are going to learn is that how you can hide and show the passwords in the user login form. The user login form used to be like this, where you have to provide the username and then passwords. The username by default we can read this because the input type for this is the text, but the password used to be hidden by default. If you want to allow the user to see the passwords, let's see how you can do that. For this tutorial we are going to use the HTML editor online, which is present on our CSSstack.org. Just click on the tools and it will list out all the tools that we have on our platforms. You will see the HTML editor. I'm just clicking on that, and we are just going to I already provided the code for it, so I'm just copying this code from here. So this is nothing but the simple HTML form where we are providing the username and password fields. So just to make it look better, I'm just adding one BR tag. This is nothing but break row, and I'm just running that. Now you can see that something has gone wrong. This BR has to be provided above the password. So now if I run this, you can see that this is username and passwords. We need one BR here. This is how the HTML login form looks like. So now we want to add the eye icon. As of now the icon is not visible here. For that we are going to use a font awesome CSS, which is already present online. So what I just have to link that CSS here, and once I run this, you can see the eye icon. So if I enter the username, you can see that the username is visible, but if I enter the username, you can see that username is visible. When I enter the passwords, it's not visible and it's hidden, and this is by default because when you provide the attribute type with the value password for the input tag, it will act as a password and it will be hidden by default. Now we want to allow users to see this password. So for that you need simple JavaScript. I already shared the code of this JavaScript here. So what you have to do is you have to just create one JavaScript code, and you have to just copy paste that code, and now I'm just executing the code. Now I will provide the username CSS tag, which will be visible by default, and I will provide the password. So passwords I can provide like ABC123. By default it's not visible, it's hidden, and if you want to see this password, what you have to do is just have to click this icon. Once you click in on this icon, you can see that the password is visible and even the icon has been changed. So and again you can hide it, you can show it as per the user convenience. So this is very important trick, and everyone should have this on their login form. Hope you enjoy watching this video and you learn something new. If you have any problem or if you have any concern, just comment on this video, like this video. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.